All right, let's say we do need to install some small random library that doesn't have type definition files and it's written in JavaScript. We can declare our own module in our package and write the types for it. It's not easy to do always, especially if it's a big package, but we can certainly show an example here. So I found this very small random package called count days and months. It's up here. Here's the code for it. So it's just exporting one little function called count days and months that takes 2 arguments and it returns a date. Cool. So to do that, we'll go ahead and create a type definition file in our source directory. So it's going to match the name of the package. So it'll be the only difference to indicate that it's a type definition file is .d.ts. So we'll call it, I'm just going to copy the name here. Let's close this stuff. I'll open it here. So it is .d.ts. Perfect. So we can start by declare module, and it'll be the name of the module there in a string. And from here, we would simply write the types. So let's just go over here. I've already got the example written out. And you have to remember to export it. Export default, because we can see that's what we're doing here. So we've got one function that is being exported as default. The function is called count days and months. It takes a full year, which is a number. Obviously, you'd have to be familiar with the function of the package to know this, but we can tell pretty clearly here it's expecting a number. And then a zero-based month, which is also a number which we can check here because we're doing some comparison. And what does it return? Well, it returns another number. Perhaps not. Perhaps it gets a date. What does date.getDate return? Let's figure that out. Let's date equals new date dot get date. See what type that is. So that is a number. Perfect. Great. So just a little tip there so you can figure out your types. So we've got this module in place now. So I'm going to go ahead and actually install it into our app here. Give it a second. And we can try and import it now. So let's get rid of this. So import count days in months from here. You can see we don't get any type errors. And if I click into it, it goes straight to our type declaration file there. So that is how you can create your own type declaration file for packages written in JavaScript that might not have any that are currently maintained by the community.